Welcome to my YouTube video on conditional sentences. In this video, we will explore the basics of conditional sentences, including their structure, types, and usage. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to form and use conditional sentences in English. So, let's get started. Conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are used to express hypothetical or imaginary situations which are dependent on certain conditions or circumstances. They typically consist of two parts, the if clause and the main clause. The if clause expresses the condition which can be real or unreal and is usually introduced by the word if. Another conditional conjunctions such as unless, provided that, in case, assuming that, or suppose can also be used. The main clause expresses the consequences or result of the condition. Next is the types of conditional sentences. There are several types of conditional sentences, including the zero conditional. It is used for general truth or scientific facts. First conditional, used for likely or possible future events. The second conditional, used for hypothetical or unlikely present or future events. Third conditional, used for hypothetical past events that did not happen. The last one is mixed conditionals, can also be used to combine different types of conditionals in one sentence. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is zero conditional. It is used to express general truth or scientific facts that are always true. It consists of the present simple tense in both the if clause and the main clause. Here are some examples of zero conditional sentences. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you don't get enough sleep, you feel tired. If you study hard, you learn more. In each of these examples, the if clause expresses the condition or situation that is always true, and the main clause expresses the result or consequence of that condition. The next is first conditional. It is used to talk about future events that are likely or possible and their likely consequences. It consists of the present simple tense in both the if clause and the future simple tense, will plus base form of verb in the main clause. For example, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. If they finish their work early, they will have time to relax. If he comes to visit, we will take him sightseeing. In each of these examples, the if clause expresses a possible or likely future event, and the main clause expresses the consequences or result of that event. Next one is the second conditional. It is used to talk about hypothetical or unlikely situations or events in the present or future. It consists of the simple past tense in the if clause and the conditional tense would plus base form of verb in the main clause. For example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a house. If I won the lottery, I would quit my job. If I had more time, I would learn how to play the guitar. If I were taller, I would play basketball. In each of these examples, the if clause expresses a hypothetical or unlikely situation in the present or future, and the main clause expresses the hypothetical or desired result of that situation. Note that the verb were is used instead of was in the if clause when referring to the hypothetical situation involving I or he, she, it. Like in the last example, we use were with I. The next conditional is the third conditional. It is used to talk about hypothetical situations or events in the past that did not actually happen. It consists of the past simple tense in the if clause and the past conditional tense would have plus past participle of verb in the main clause. For example, if I study harder, I would have passed the exam. If I had gone to the party, we would have met some interesting people. If she had married him, she would have been unhappy. If I had taken the job, I would have had to move to another city. In each of these examples, the if clause expresses a hypothetical situation or event in the past, and the main clause expresses the hypothetical or desired result of that situation which did not actually occur. The last conditional is mixed conditional. They are used to express hypothetical situations that started in the past and continue to affect the present or future. If clause uses the past perfect tense to talk about the past, and the main clause uses the conditional tense to talk about the present or future. Here are some examples. If I had studied more, I would be working in the better job now. The hypothetical past action of studying more is connected to the present situation of working in the less desirable job. If he had taken the medicine, he would feel better now. Means the hypothetical past action of taking the medicine is connected to the present situation of feeling unwell. If she had learned to drive, she wouldn't be taking the bus now. Means the hypothetical past action of learning to drive is connected to the present situation of relying on public transportation. So this is all for now on conditional sentences. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Thanks for watching.